All right. Welcome to Zagreb, Croatia. We're gonna go find some local cuisine here. We're up in Upper Town. A lot of the churches are and museums. Yeah, a lot of construction here. They had an earthquake a long time ago, so I think they're renovating a lot of stuff and fixing buildings, but we're gonna find this little spot here on the hill. All right, it's gonna be this small little yellow building here on the corner with the beautiful Croatian flag outside. You know my love for this country. And it keeps growing now that we're in Zagreb. Oh, a lot of beautiful stuff here. All right, let's get inside. All right, we'll show you. There's actually nobody in here right now. Obviously, it's not very tourist season. Very authentic Croatian. I love it. All right, I'll let you guys read here. Just pause. Lots of stuff. Don't even know where to start, to be honest. There's so much stuff. All right, Nicole got one of the chicken, rice, and veggie dishes in the main section. And the one I wanted, they didn't have, but this looks great. Mashed potatoes. It's like a meat-filled dough with sauce. I don't think it's gluten-free, but Nicole's does look it. All right, can you tell we liked it? This was phenomenal. Kind of like a light paprika oil, vegetables, chicken, mushrooms. Mine, I think because they didn't have the peppers, I think it might have been a cabbage with rice and beef in a tomato paprika sauce with mashed potatoes. Wow, so good. All right, Turkish coffee, look at that. One of my faves. Oh, let's check it out. Whoa, baby. Yeah, that looks good. All right. I think that place was a 5 out of 5. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was very good. Just down up here from the Zagreb Museum. Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
City Museum.
City Museum. So if you're near there, go check it out. The place was outstanding. Really good food. Very nice service. See ya.